Good day students, welcome to our digital class of English 1 of the Bal Bharati textbook. Today we are going to read a very moralful story of lesson number 2.4 from page number 21. Unity is strength. Do you know children what unity means? Unity means oneness or togetherness. Being together or united makes us become stronger, and if we stand together we can fight with any problems. So children, let's read the story of page number 21 and understand what is the story about. So let's start. 2.4 Unity is strength. An old man lived with his 4 sons in a village. The old man was worried. His sons were always quarreling. Quarreling means fighting with each other. They would never agree on any point. Agree on any point means agree on any decision. The old man had tried telling them many times to avoid fighting, but his sons would not listen to him. They would fight for everything. So children, see this picture. There was an old man who had 4 sons. These 4 sons were always quarreling or fighting with each other and did not listen at any point or did not agree on any point. So the old man was worried, and many times the old man told them not to fight, but they did not listen to the old man. So let's read the next part. One day he called his 4 sons. He gave them a small bundle of sticks. Bundle of sticks means sticks tied together, and asked them to break the bundle into 2. It's so easy, said the eldest son. Eldest means the biggest son. He took the bundle and tried to break it. He was surprised that the sticks in the bundle remained unbroken. Unbroken means did not break. He used more force. Force means strength. He tried again and again, but the bundle of sticks did not break. He gave up. So children, one day what the old man did, the old man called all the 4 sons and he gave a bundle of sticks and he told them to break it. So the elder son came forward and he thought it was so easy to break the sticks. So he took the bundle of sticks in his hand and tried to break it. He used his force. He tried very hard, but he could not break the sticks. So other 3 sons also tried to break the bundle of sticks, but they also did not break it or did not succeed in breaking the sticks. Then his brothers tried to break the bundle of sticks. They tried hard, but they too could not succeed. Their father smiled and asked them to untie the bundle. Untie means separate the bundle or loosen the bundle. Now the sticks were separated. He gave each brother a single stick and asked them to break it. Each of the sons took a stick in hand. In no time, the sticks were bent and broken. So the father smiled and told the brothers to untie the bundle or separate the bundle. And then what he did, he gave single sticks or one sticks to each of them. And then he told to break it. So the 4 sons, they bent it easily and broke the sticks very quickly. A single stick is easily broken. If 4 sticks come together, it is impossible to break them. If you are united, help each other, and live in friendship, you will be stronger than any enemy. But if you are divided among yourselves and keep fighting, you will be as weak as the single stick in that bundle. Remember, united we stand, divided we fall, said the old man, giving his sons a meaningful look. So, children, when he saw that the four sons broke the single stick easily, he smiled at the sons and told them that what you understand by this, that a single stick is easily broken. But if the four sticks come together or they are united, it is very impossible to break them because they are united. So remember that if we are united and help each other and live in friendship, you will be stronger and no enemy can defeat you. But if you are divided among yourself or fight among yourself, you will be as weak as a single stick and in that bundle. So remember, united we stand and divided we fall. So united we stand and divided we fall means if we are united, we will stand strong, and if we are divided, we will be weak like the single stick. The old man explained this to the four sons. So let's read the next part now. This time the brothers learnt a lesson. They stopped fighting with each other. They started to work together as a team, and that really helped them. So after that, the brothers learnt a lesson. They stopped fighting with each other and they started working in a team with each other. See, you can see in this picture all the four sons are working each other without fighting. So, I hope you must have understood what is the moral of the story, that if we are united, we will be strong, and if we are divided, we will be weak. So, the lesson is united is strength. So, we will see the hard words of this lesson. You should also look and say after me. The first one is worried. W-O-R-R-I-D, worried. The second one is quarreling. Q-U-A-R-R-E-L-L-I-N-G, quarreling. The third one is agree. A-G-R-E-E, agree. The fourth one is bundle. B-U-N-D-L-E, bundle. The fifth one is sticks. S-T-I-C-K-S, sticks. The sixth one is surprised. S-U-R-P-R-I-S-E-D, surprised. The seventh one is unbroken. U-N-B-R-O-K-E-N, unbroken. The eighth one is impossible. I-M-P-O-S-S-I-B-L-E, impossible. The ninth one is united. U-N-I-T-E-D, united. And the 10th one is friendship. F-R-I-E-N-D-S-H-I-P, friendship. So children, we will read it again. The first one is worried. The second one is quarreling. The third one is agree. The fourth one is bundle. The fifth one is sticks. The sixth one is surprised. The seventh one is unbroken. The eighth one is impossible. The ninth one is united. And the 10th one is friendship. So, I hope you must have understood these words also. You too have to revise and write these words 3 times in your notebook. So, children, I hope you must have understood the story very well and the moral behind it. So, in the next class, we will revise again this lesson and do the exercise of this lesson. So, bye till now and thank you.